Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Living the Country Life with Thomas Collins. This is the final part 3 for the skid steer. I'm going to show you the final job. Well, no further ado, here it is. Cleared all this, me and my buddy, he helped me. It was pretty fun. Got to get something in here a little bit with a straight blade so I can level it out. Let all this rain clear up and dry up. That's a pond on the other side of those tree line right there. I'll get over there and show you. Yeah, if you would, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 75 subscribers. Just a goal of mine. That'd be cool. Just to get 75. Please subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. We'll take a walk over here and show you the pond on this side. Gotta watch where we go, or if not, I'll sink up to my ankles. It's coming up for sure, the pond. Oh yeah. It's an old dock right here. And it goes on that way, all the way down to that tree line. Pretty cool. But yeah, this is our progress we got done with the skid steer. But yeah, we'll walk along the pond here and show you it from this end. Gotta get that trash out right there. Got frogs and gators in there. Yeah, alright, let's get going over here to this end of the pond. Looks like an old piece of boat. Yep. Some metal. Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, that's a tire. That's pretty crazy. The swamp. This is the swamp out here. You hear that? This is crazy in here. But, alright. This is at the job where we had fun operating the skid steer. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. See? Here's where we worked. Look. Here's the pond. Alright. I'll be right back. I'm back, guys. We did a little bit of work over here, clearing a few things. Take y'all over here and show. Look, the pond's over here too. Goes all the way across these back of these properties. Get over here so y'all can see. Yes, it's sprinkling a little bit, thundering. Fixing to wrap this video up. Look at this. This is pretty cool. Alright, guys. Leave me a comment what y'all think about this pond. It's pretty creepy, huh? Swampy, all this green stuff. It's a little swamp life for the gators. This is all like swamp vegetarian, swamp crap, you know? I don't know what I'm talking about. I know it's swamp for the gators. It's their life in the swamp. Alright. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Have a great evening. Peace.